Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost your FPS in Mecha Break, how you can fix FPS drops, lagging, stuttering and freezing, and the best part of it, I will show you everything. It will be in your game settings and your Windows settings as well, so you don't need to download any FPS packs. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what we're gonna do, I will show you in-game settings. So in the main screen, just press escape, then go to settings. Then on settings, go to display general, make sure display mode full screen, your native resolution, your brightness is personal preference, VSync is off, frame limit. If you have 144 monitor or 120 or 60, just then you can cap it. But if you have more than 144, just make it to no restrictions and apply the changes. Then go to graphics. Make sure super resolution is DLSS if you're using NVIDIA GPU. If you're using other GPUs, make sure it's FSR. Also, scroll down a bit, rendering quality medium, texture low, depth of field off, interface soft lighting off, global illumination low, screen space ambient occlusion off. Then weather, virtual geometry position, terrain precision, vegetation precision, and special effects quality, these are medium, and then these are as well. And then motion blur intensity, radial blur intensity is off as well. So now let's go in your Windows settings. The first thing what I always suggest you to do in Windows settings is to update your operating system and your GPU and drivers. So go to settings, go to Windows Update, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. Then with your GPU drivers as well, depending on what you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app called NVIDIA where I can simply go to drivers and install latest drivers. Next thing what we need to do here is to open up just right click on your desktop, show more options, and then go to NVIDIA control panel. If you have NVIDIA control panel. Then what you need to do here, you need to press change resolution, make sure right monitor is selected, your native resolution is selected with your maximum amount of hertz. Then go to configure surround on 5x, make sure under the processor your dedicated GPU is selected. Then go to manage 3D settings, and here you can change a few things. You need to change a few things as well. Make sure low latency mode and max frame rate is off. Open GDI compatibility, preferred performance. Open GL rendering GPU, your dedicated GPU. Then power management mode, make sure prefer maximum performance. Prefer refresh rate highest available. Textual filtering and the subtropic sample options is on. Texture filtering quality also super important, make sure it's high performance. And texture filtering trilinear optimization is on with threaded optimization as well. Then make sure VSync is off and virtual reality pre-rendered frames is on 1. And you can apply these settings and close this window, and we can go with other steps as well. Also, before you play the game, always open up Test Manager and close all the CPU and GPU heavy apps. And also open up startup apps and disable all the apps that you don't use. And I suggest you just disable all the apps because when your computer boots up, it requires a lot of resources. And sometimes you forget to just close these apps. So just disable them all. And when you need it, some specific ones, just open them manually. Also, if you use Discord while you play this game, you need to open up Discord, then press on the gear icon here, then go to as you can see here, advanced, then go to hardware acceleration and make sure hardware acceleration is disabled here. The next thing what we need to do here, we need to open up run, just press Windows and A key or simply write run. And then on this run window, you need to write gpedit.msc, right? And then here you need to basically go to computer configuration, then expand this option, go to administrative templates, then you need to go to as you can see here, Windows Components, and then scroll down a bit until you see App Privacy. Click on it and then scroll down. Almost on the bottom should be Let Windows apps run in the background. Select this option, make sure it's enabled, and then force deny. So basically, if you have a apps that is running on the background, it will not be running and it will save your computer resources as well. Another thing that you need to do here, you need to open up settings. On settings, you need to go to a game bar, make sure it's off, press on gaming again, game mode, make sure it's on. Other thing that you need to do here, you need to open up Steam, right click on it, properties, general, make sure it's -high, then go to install files and hit browse. Then you should have this window here. Then on this window, on search, you just need to write .exe, right? And then here you need to look for a exe file. So scroll down a bit until you see a Mecha Break.exe, right click on it. Then you need to show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure disable full screen optimizations, then select change high DPI settings, override high DPI scaling behavior, select application, apply, okay. And also you need to find another one, this one, then right click again, show more options, properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and then change high DPI, override, application, okay. And then what you need to do here is to copy the path. If you wrote .exe, then what you need to do, you can close this. Then you need to just go to graphics settings. On graphics settings, make sure to expand this option, advanced graphics settings, and then make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. And then press add a desktop app. Then paste the path that we just copied here. And then you need to add these exe files. So as you can see here, should be somewhere here. First one, then it should appear in this list. So we just need to wait, look for it. As you can see here, high performance, make sure it's high performance. And then another one is high performance as well. And then for me it's already added, but for you it may be not. So you just need to go back and add as you can see here, other file, this one as well. For me, is already added. Again, then press add the desktop app. Again, paste the path, and then you need to look for a setup. So we just need to look for it. A setup 64. Add it. Do the same, and then add desktop as well. Again, paste the path. Then add a stray, and do the same here as well. High performance optimizations for Windows games, and after that you can close this window. Then go on search again and write edit power plan. Then here you select power options and then make sure ultimate performance is selected. If ultimate performance there is no availability for that, select a high performance, right? And then close this window. Another thing that you need to do here, you just need to write view advanced system settings. And on view advanced system settings, you need to do a few things as well. So the first thing, you just need to be on advanced, then performance, go to settings, go to custom, and make sure these three options only selected, save taskbar, show thumbnails, and smooth edges. Apply, okay. Then go to settings again, advanced, virtual memory, press change. Then select the drive where your game is installed. In my case is this key. Deselect this option here, automatically manage paging files, and then select custom size. Other thing that you need to do here, you need to know your how much RAM do you have on your computer. Go to system information. On system information, it should be here, installed virtual memory. As you can see here, for me is 16 gigabytes. And now you need to calculate the things. Don't worry, it's super easy. So the first thing what you need to do here is to put your RAM value times, in my case 16, times 1024 times 1.5. And the number that you get here, you need to put the initial size. And then you can delete this number, put RAM value again, times 1024 times 3. And the number that you get here, put the maximum size. Apply the changes and close this window here, right? And after that, we need to proceed with other steps. So other step is go to system configuration, and system configuration, you need to go to services, select hide all Microsoft services, and then end all the tasks that you don't use while you play the game. So in my case, it could be Epic Games, exit lag, easy anti-cheat, or no one, I believe you need that. And then, as you can see here, maybe LG Hub and more. So end all the tasks that you don't need, VGC, for example, Valorant, and then just press apply and OK. And another thing that you need to do here, sometimes computer, if your computer do not have a lot of space left, sometimes it can be laggy and it can be stuttery and more. So what you need to do here, you just need to write run, and run, just write %temp%, and on this folder here, select all the files and delete all temporary files here. Don't worry about it. It's just the cache files. It won't affect any of your computer files. Nothing will be deleted except these cache files. Some files cannot be deleted, so just leave them there. And then you just need to go to storage settings, and on storage settings, go to a temporary files, and then select every file except downloads, and then delete files as well from here. And that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.